Welcome to the discussion creation of half and full adder using subvi. I am Bhaskar from Science Department. Today our discussion is divided into two parts. That is the creation of main VI and the second one is creation of sub VI. So what is VI? VI is an instrumentation language used by user for computer designing. And making of a VI is divided into again two parts, two modes actually. First one is a user mode. To enter into user mode, we need to press I, and for by default mode, VI operate in first mode, that is by default mode. Okay. In second parts, our main discussion and main focus on sub VI. In this diagram, you are able to see the parts of the VI. This one is a sample program created for sub VI. Actually, this is a main front or a block diagram, that is main VI. The two parts of this diagram, that is sub VI. You can easily see the block created here, that is sub VI, that is sub. And so what is sub VI? Sub VI is a part of main VI, or it's a making an icon and connector for a sub VI. So using a VI as a sub VI. So let's come to advantages of sub VI. It has easier to debug. It don't have to recreate code. It's require less memory. So let's discuss about the main part, that is icon and connector. Icon represent a VI in the other block diagram. So here you can see icon. Temperature is an icon, and here you can see it is connected between mode, that is operation of any block diagram or front panel. It is created through or controlled through icon. And second one, main requirement is connector. Connector is required to communicate or interconnect between two VIs. So let's see, there are some basic division or parts of the VI, that is two parts created. See, one is green one, and second one orange. It shows that it is divided, or it is a symbol of connector. Okay. Now to create icon, you have to click on the very rightmost terminal here on the front panel or block diagram. You can easily get this symbol, and it's called icon palette. So for creation of sub VI, you must create icon, then connector. You have to assign terminal for connecting two main VIs, and we need to save the VI to proper location. And for higher order or higher level VI, we have to insert the VI into a top level VI. It is the parts of sub VI. So let's come to first part, that is creation of icon. In the creation of icon, as said earlier, the icon is at the place rightmost. So here you will get the icon palette. Right click on the icon in the block diagram front panel, you will get icon. So let's take some basics about what's the icon, what are the properties of icon. So in this layer you will find some vi properties like what's the categories, where the actual location of your vi sub vi. Again, some edit icon means you can edit, or you can draw, you can put names, pictures, uh, like this. And it is a version. This block actually shows the version. 13 means lab view 13 is your present lab view version. Okay. And now if you see, the second option is edit icon. Let's talk about what's the actual edit icon provides you. Yeah, in the icon editor you will find 4 options: template, icon text, glimpse, and layers. Now the main parts we can see, icon text. Yeah, in icon text you have 4 lines. That means you can type 4 different text, whatever you want to describe about your vi. And you are also providing some colors. There is facility to provide colors. Whatever you created text or whatever images you selected, you can give different colors to it. Okay, and this part is called main block of your icon editor. It's like Microsoft Paint. Here some tools, some brushes, some pencils. So you can drop the colors, you can change the background. Yeah, some another facility like font alignment, where actually you want to text your labeling and all that. Okay. Next part is yeah. Before that, let's see one example here. I wrote, "Hi, welcome to subvi." Here I edited it by colors, by font, and I also changed some alignment. Okay. Come to next point, themes. Okay. Yeah, there are many facilities in this. Yeah, like robotics, signals, actions. Here I taken one example for temperature. Okay. Yeah. Connector. We'll see the actual practical implementation of connector. Here this is a icon part, and this is a connector. Okay, and these two blocks, green blocks, actually shows how many numbers of connected wires in your vi or sub vi. Yeah, if you want to add some terminals, then you just click here. So it will create one terminal. Actually terminal, it will connect one main vi to yours another sub vi, and by using this symbol you can recognize that terminal is present in your subvi. Okay, this is assignment of terminal. Yeah, and you can add terminal, you can remove terminal, whatever you want. Yeah. To save the VI, choose an easy to remember the location. Organize by functionality. Save similar VIs into one directory. Organize by application. Save all VI used for specific application. Now let's come to main part, that is just look at the one example. I want to demonstrate. Now let's take one example for half adder and full adder. Here first I am going to take half adder. So for half adder you must require XOR AND gates. So in function in boolean palette you will find XOR. I'm going to drag it here, and again in boolean AND gate. Yeah. So for this gates you must require some control signals. So I'm going to take control, and for second also I must control signal. Yeah, I'm going, yeah. So the connection between two gates by create and branch. So this get connected. So for second also I must require one branch between this terminal to our circuit VI is ready. So we need some indicator to show us that should output. We will find indicator. So create indicator. This also create indicator. Okay, our VI is ready. So here two signals X, X2. I'm not going to now it's not any signal or any input provided with this particular two input signal, so output must not be there. So if I click here, yeah, and run continuously, you will find XOR gate is providing output 1. That is the by lightning you will find that its value is true. That means this bulb should glow. By taking reference of this, I am going to explain what the full adder is. For full adder, I must need another one half adder. So before this, I must create subvi for this boolean functions. So in edit, you will find create subvi. So by clicking on create subvi, I will get the main subvi, and if I double click on subvi, you will find options like one of option is show front panel. It will give you information about your front panel. Actually subvi is a one block, so for that block actually what was the main VI. So for that, if I click on show front panel, get the previously we created or designed menu. Okay, and in that, at the topmost side, you will find one icon. If you right click on this, you will find many more options regarding icon. First one is vi property. In that, you will find what is the actual source version, location, some basic categories and all that. Okay, and the main thing about the icon is you have to, or it's depend on user, that you can change the background, some glyphs, some layers, some text file. Okay, here I'm going to only change the background of your subview part. So I need brush, and I'm going to take colors from this, and I'm going to take yellow, and if I drop this color, so yeah, you will find that the background color is actually getting changed. And the second option is eye context. Yeah, this is the main thing. You can enter any text whatever you want, that is for naming purpose, for figure naming. Here I'm going to change the text like hi, you are creating subvi. Okay, and if I want, I can change the color also. Yeah, for text 1 you will find, yeah, the color will change. Okay, by doing this, click on OK. If you close the front block, yeah, you will find the subvi get changed according to our whatever we made changes. Okay, now I have to design full adder. For that I required another half adder. So again, boolean XOR, again, and get, and okay. For this again I'm doing same process. Here control, this is my control. For second get also I need control. Okay, and these two are like this one. So yeah, and this terminal is connected to this indicator. Indicator for this gate, so indicator. And now I'm going to change this vi to subvi by creating subvi. Okay, yep, your subvi is ready now. This is the first half adder, and this is the second half adder. Now for full adder, you will require one OR gate. So the corrections are, you are taking the inputs for OR gate, like boolean OR gate, So I am going to take the inputs for OR gate from one lower half adder and one from upper half adder. this must connected to one of terminal of OR gate, and from this I'm going to take one carry part, and this is connected to this must connected to now. Okay, some connection failure in the, so let's check for this. No. It's not getting connected. Okay, okay. It's showing loose because it's not connected. So if I connect it to, yeah, because for full adder we need only 3 inputs. So yeah, now we will get out connected to this. Okay, this is your half adder circuit. And for carry you must add one indicator. Yes, this is your carry. Okay, this is our one subvi. You can say one subvi because one half adder and this second half adder get connected through this OR gate. So you can say this is a one subvi because two VIs into one subvi. You can say this one subvi. So by running this, I will get the output for full adder. Yeah. This is the output for full adder. If you check the conditions, 1 is showing your final result. Okay. And yeah, this is your output for full adder. In this way you can say if two inputs are connected, that is 1 1 and another one is suppose 0, you must get output 1, so it show true value. So you can say which is the output for full adder. Okay, like this also you can check all the possible conditions. Yeah, come out from running mode. Yeah, and for creation of subvi, our 4 point is to save the subvi to a proper location. So I'm going to save the new answer of it. Yes, on desktop my subvi created subvi. Okay, so subvi.